division, division of 4-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers. When dividing large numbers, we can use short division. 1644 divided by 6. In our short division, we divide one place value digit at a time, starting from the left or the biggest value. 1 divided by 6 is 0, and we have a remainder of 1. We line up the answer in the same place value column, the 0, and then we carry over the remainder to the next column. This now becomes 16. 16 divided by 6 equals 2. 2 6s are 12, a remainder of 4. Then 44 divided by 6 equals 7. 6 7s are 42, with a remainder of 2. Then 24 divided by 6 equals 4. So our answer equals 274. Read the question carefully to understand what we need to do. There are 4,564 people in a town. The town fire station has 7 officers. How many people are there per fire officer? What's the question asking you to do? Divide 4,564 by 7. So in short division, 4 divided by 7 is 0 with a remainder of 4. 45 divided by 7 equals 6. 6 7s are 42, with a remainder of 3. 36 divided by 7 equals 5. 5 7s are 35, with a remainder of 1. Then 14 divided by 7 equals 2. The answer equals 652. There are 652 people per fire officer. Some questions may involve units. A bowl containing 3,672 millilitres of juice is shared equally amongst 9 guests. How many millilitres did each guest drink? What's the question asking you to do? Divide 3,672 millilitres by 9. We divide the numbers as normal and remember to include the right units in the answer. So 3,672 divided by 9. 3 divided by 9 is 0 with a remainder of 3. 36 divided by 9 equals 4. Then 7 divided by 9 equals 0 with a remainder of 7. And 72 divided by 9 equals 8. So the answer is 408. Each guest drank 408 millilitres. Some questions contain more steps. The local florist sells 6,080 flowers on Saturday, sell half as many flowers on Sunday, and on Monday they sell 35 less than Sunday. How many flowers do they sell on Monday? What's the question asking you to do? Divide 6,080 by 2 to find out how many they sold on Sunday. Then subtract 35 from that number to find out how many they sold on Monday. So 6,080 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 0 divided by 2 equals 0. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And 0 divided by 2 equals 0. So on Sunday they sold 3,040. Now subtract the 35. 0 minus 5 we can't do, so we need to exchange 1 10 for 10 ones. Change this to 3 and 10 ones. Now 10 minus 5 equals 5. And in the tens column, 3 minus 3 is 0. And 0 minus 0 is 0. And then 3 minus 0 equals 3. So on Monday they sold 3,005 flowers. Sometimes we can find the information in a picture. The image shows 3 deals on offer for 2 rugby balls, 3 footballs and 4 bats with balls. Which individual item works out as the cheapest? What's the question asking you to do? Divide A, £11.78 by 2 rugby balls. B, divide £15.87 by 3 footballs. And C, divide £21.96 by 4 bats with balls. There's a lot of calculating. Can we make it easier by estimating? First, £11.78 is nearly 12. 12 divided by 2 equals 6, so it's about £6. Second, 15 divided by 3 is £5, and 90p divided by 3 is 30 pence, so this is about £5.30. And C, 20 divided by 4 is £5, and then another £2 divided by 4 equals 50 pence. So £5.50 pence. £6 is bigger than £5.50, which is bigger than £5.30, so B is the cheapest. The footballs are the cheapest. Remember, when we divide, we share into equal groups. With larger numbers, we can use short division. Read the question carefully to understand what we need to do. Sometimes you can use estimations to get the answer.